Today I'm going to show you how to fix women posture with help of Puppet Warp tool in Adobe Photoshop. First go to Select and Subject. Press Ctrl J to cut the image from its background. Let's name it Subject. Now let's disable this layer first. This time I will remove the model from this background. So hold the Ctrl key and click on the thumbnail of the subject layer to make a selection. Now select the bottom or background layer. Go to Select, Modify, and Expand. I'll make the expand by 11 pixels, this depends on your image size. Go to Edit, and open your fill window. Under the contents, select the content aware. Then press OK. Press Ctrl D to delete the selection. Now let's enable this subject layer. Then right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Now go to Edit and Puppet Warp. If you see here, there is a fence or something like a grid wrapped around the model. So to remove it, go to the View and uncheck the extras. Now I'm going to click on this foot to put a 2-pin. And then I'm going to add 2 more pins to 1 foot. Then I will also put a pin on both of these knees. And I'll also put another pin in the waistband. That's why I put 7 pins on the lower side or on this part of the body, so that when we lose the position, it won't move. Now so that we can fix the position of this body, I will put another pin on this shoulder. And then, I'm going to drag this pin to the left. You can also click on these pins, and then hold Alt on the keyboard, and drag outside the circle to adjust the position as desired. So what I'm going to adjust is this shoulder, just hold down Alt on the keyboard, and then drag outside the circle. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. As you can see, there is something like mold in this background. So to remove it, let's just select the background. Then from the toolbar, select the Patch tool. Now create a loose selection around the dirty area to select it. Then drag the selection to an area that matches the background. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.